Welcome back to the channel. This is a bit of a bonus video just because I'm at Farnham Honda. I've just ridden the Rebel 500 and as I was leaving I spotted this very classic Ducati 750 which they've just taken in part exchange. 2000 or 1999, it's a W Reg 750 twin with that tubular goldy bronze frame that's iconic of the 90s Ducatis, as well as the wheels in the same colour. I love it, it looks stunning. Air cooled, so that lineage I'm assuming will go back to things like the Mike Howard bikes and the bikes of that era, so it'll have that really old school feel to it, but it just looks great. It just instantly stood out to me as I was leaving. I was like, wow, I need to get a video of this, and I want to get a closer look to show you that kind of very 90s style, which even at the time would have been quite retro because it's that old school air-cooled engine. But what is it like to sit on? Got clip-on handlebars. That is a very tall seat, and I can't get right. I get 1 foot on the ground with the rear sets, but that wouldn't be practical for me. I'd get a backache, neck ache, hip ache very, very quickly. But it would probably be worth it if you had the. I don't think it'd be crazy money actually. I don't know what these go for, but I don't think it would be stupid money. So if you had that to have a spare in your or a second bike in the garage, just to look at, oh, it looks fantastic. These clocks are just so 90s. You can, even though obviously this isn't a 748 or a 916 or whatever, but you just remember the world superbike riding in the 1990s, and these clocks on the onboard camera, just looking down with your head down, absolutely fantastic. Oh, I love it. I love it. Completely impractical, but I love it. Let's try not to drop it, getting on and off of it, of course. Twin exhausts, which look fantastic. Okay, they're not under the seat, but they look brilliant. I bet it sounds amazing as well. I don't have the keys, so I can't start it up, but that's gorgeous. A bit tired. Scuffs here and there on the tank and on the fairing and on the exhaust. But it's done 58,000 miles, so in the 25 years of its life, 26 years, it's had good mileage on it and probably been well maintained for it to have got this far. Absolutely looks brilliant. Upside down forks, which was relatively uncommon in 99, probably on things like the GSX and things like that. It probably was starting to come about, but yeah. 750 Ducati Survivor, I like that. If it was a bit shorter and I had the money for a second bike, that would be one hell of a cool bike. But just might need to see a chiropractor a bit more at my age anyway, at least. Yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Give the channel a like and subscribe. Let's see you on the next video.